Hello my dear diamonds. Find, this is just continuation of coordinate geometry. Find the ratio. You have to find out ratio of m1 is to m2. This is our question. Find the ratio in which segment joining A of 1, minus 5 and B of minus 4, 5 is divided by the x-axis. This line segment and this line segment of AB is divided by the x-axis. This point they are given as an x-axis. How to write the coordinates of if a line is divided by the x-axis means the points of P are x, 0. And points of A are 1, minus 5 and points of B are minus 4, 5. Here we know the values of x1, y1, x2, y2 and P of xy they are given. This is the point. This point divides the line segment. And what they are asking to how to find out the ratio from here to here and from here to here. This is m1 and this is m2. We have to find out. To find out the values of m1 and m2, I will first consider the section formula. What we need to consider? With the help of section formula only we can easily find out m1 and m2. I will write the first section formula. P of xy equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, this is the x coordinate point. This whole term is x coordinate point, and m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. In question we know x1 y1, x2 y2 and P of xy. We need to find out m1 and m2. Just here P of x, this xy has given. The line segment is divided by point x-axis means x, 0. This point we know, right? X, 0. And in this one, here I will write x, 0. We know the value of y coordinate point. We don't know the value of x coordinate point. I will consider only to find out the ratio. To find out the ratio, I will consider y coordinate point. Y means I know the value of y. If you consider the value of x coordinate point, here we don't know the value of x also. And in this one, in y coordinate point, we know the value of y is 0. We can easily find out the value of m1 and m2. For that, I will consider y coordinate point. This point 0 equals to this coordinate point. You write m1 y2 plus m1 m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Just you substitute the values of y1 and y2. Here don't consider first ratio. Here x coordinate point is not there. We know only y coordinate point. That's why we have to consider second coordinate point. 0 equals to this coordinate point. This is y coordinate point. Consider corresponding values. Now 0 equals to m1. y2 is how much? y2 is 5 plus m2 as it is. You have to find out m1 and 2. Keep as it is. y2 is 5. y1 is how much? Minus 5 divided by m1 plus m2. They are not given. And this next step, cross multiplication. m1 plus m2 into 0 m1 plus m2 into 0 is equals to 0. Anything into this 0 into m1 plus m2 is 0. What remains? This numerator remains 5m1. m1 into 5 is 5m1 plus into minus m2 into 5 minus 5m2. Now you take this minus 5m2 this side, this becomes plus 5m2 equals to 5m1. Next, take numerator one side. 5 divided by 5 equals to, I want the ratio of m1 is to m2. This can be written as m1 divided by m2. You take this, where this m2 goes to the denominator. Okay, 5 ones are 5 ones are. Then ratio equals to 1 is to 1. This is the way how to find out the ratio of m1 and m2. First, we have to consider section formula. In section formula, you need to consider, you can consider both coordinate points, but simply here we know the point x comma 0 in which this y coordinate is already known value. This is x is unknown value. With the known value, we can easily find out the ratio of m1 m2 easily. That's why here I consider only y coordinate point. Okay, now after getting m1 and m2, how to find out the values of, after getting the values of m1, m2, how you want to find out the value of x here? We need to find out the value of x also. Just now we got m1 is to m2 as 1 is to 1. Okay? And now we have to find out the value of x. You just substitute all the values, given values in this section formula. You will get the value of x. Okay, I'll substitute here. m1 value 1 into x2 is how much? Minus 4 plus m2 is 1. x1 is how much? 1 divided by m1 plus m2 means 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, comma m1 is 1 into y2 5 plus m2 is 1, y1 is minus 5 divided by m1 plus m2 2 equals 2. This is 1 into minus 4 minus 4 plus 1 divided by 2 comma this is 1 into 5 plus into minus 5 divided by 2. Now here we go p of x comma 0. See here we got y already as given in a question, y equals to 0. Then you check, you will get this y value as 0 or not. Please. Minus 4 plus 1, 3. Minus 3 divided by 2 is the x value. And 5 minus 5, 0. 0 by 2 is nothing but 0. Now we got the answer y as 0 as given in the question. And x equals to minus 3 by 2. P of x comma y. Minus 3 by 2 comma 0. Why we got the 0 as given in the question. The line segment is divided by x-axis. Means is divided by the x-axis means this point is x comma 0. Y term is 0. We consider x comma 0 only, right? Then we got the value of y as 0 only. Then our problem is correct. And x value is minus 3 by 2. Just we have to substitute in the section formula after getting m1, m2. We know the value of m1, m2, x1, y1, x2, y2. You can easily find out the value of p of xy. Here it has given is divided by what? X-axis. In the case, if the line segment is divided by the y-axis, means you have to consider if this line segment is divided by y-axis, means the points are 0, y. Okay, then we have to find out y value again after getting the ratio. Okay, in finding the ratio, you just consider only one coordinate point in the section formula. For example, this is P of xy and this is section formula. Here, if he has given both, you can use, but in both you will get the same answer by considering only one corresponding ratio, corresponding values of x and y. You will get the value of ratio. Need not to consider both. Okay. This is the way how to find out ratio and the coordinate points of P. Okay, here is again one more problem. Last class we discussed. Okay, if you are having any doubt, you just go through this. If A and B has given A and B, values of x1, y1 and x2, y2, has given point A and point B of a line segment. This line segment, this point and this point has given in the question respectively. Find the coordinates of point P. What we need to find out? P of xy we have to find out. Okay, recall section formula. P of xy. To find out P of xy, what we want? x1, y1, x2, y2 and m1 is to m2 we want. Okay, we'll check whether they are given x1, y, he has given in the question x1, y1 and x2, y2, but ratio is not there. m1, m2 values are not there. We'll check ratio values are there or not. Okay, or he has given any hint. Okay, to find out the ratio. Find the coordinate points of P such that, okay, hint is there, such that AP equals to 3 by 7 AB. Okay, AP equals to 3 by 7 AB, and this point P lies in between, is the midpoint of AB. This is there, A of -2, -2 and B of 2, -4. And this point P of xy and m1, m2, m1 and m2 not there. How to, after finding m1, m2 only we can easily find out the value of P of xy. First we have to find out the values of m1, m2. In question m1, m2 values are not there. Just this hint is there. With the help of this hint, we'll check we can find out the values of m1 and m2 or not. Okay. We'll do one thing. Hint is there here. AB equals to 3 by 7 AB. Cross multiply. I'll cross multiply this 7. 7 into AB. This becomes 7 into AB equals to 3 AB. Now I'll write this 7 AB as it is. 3 as it is equals 3 as it is into AB can be written as AP plus PB. I'll write this AB as AP plus PB. Next, cross multiply. Sorry, remove this bracket by multiplying 3 inside. 3 into AP, 3 AP plus 3 into PB, 3 PB. Now taking same variable one side, 7 AP. This AP you take other side. Minus 3 AP becomes equals to 3 PB. How much remains here? 7 AP minus 3 AP, 4 AP equals to 3 PB. Now, how to write the ratio of this line segment? This can be written as AP here. AP is to PB, and this is same as AP divided by PB. Is the ratio of the line segment when P is the midpoint of AB. Then where does PB goes? AP divided by PB, and this 4 goes to the denominator. Now we got the ratio of this line segment. AB equals to 3 and PB equals to 4. This is 3 and this is 4. Now we got the values of ratio. M1 is to M2 equals to 3 is to 4. In the question has given x1 y1, x2 y2, x1 y1 values are -2 comma -2 and x2 y2 values are 2 comma -4. Just now we got the values of m1 is to m2. After getting m1 m2 x1 y1 x2 y2, we can easily find out the values of p of xy, right? By substituting all the values in what value? You will substitute the values of these all values in section formula. You will get the value of p of xy. Okay. Find the coordinates of point P. You will get the answer by after substituting in section formula. This is very simple question. This hint is that by this hint we got the ratio. After getting ratio, x1 y1 x2 y2 values are there. Just substituting in a section formula, you will get the coordinates of point P. This is how you can easily find out the coordinates of point P.